Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of US, Canada and UK. And I also upload my daily analysis on the important Forex currency pairs. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the stock market of USA for Wednesday 24th Feb 2021. So this analysis is for Wednesday 24th Feb only. Okay, and sorry for not having a professional fancy setup. I'm just doing this video from the comfort of my home. I even do not edit my videos. I simply record the video and upload it. I even do not replay my videos after recording. Okay. Well, I'm just looking a bit different today because I have applied oil in my hair. I'm losing hair. I'm having some hair fall issues. Anyways, let's jump into the video. So the first stock for today is Visa. Okay, so right now Visa is trading at 212.11. So this the LTP is 212.11. So the level that we need to watch for Visa is 213.89 and 207.39. Okay, as Visa has, this is a daily time frame candle, a daily candle. As Visa has made a big bullish green candle, so I'll say that if you get some opportunity also, if you spot some opportunity, do not go ahead and sell it short term market because it will be going against trend. So what do we need to do? You just take your buy position or go long only above 213.8 level or above 214 level. Okay, only buy position above 214 level. If you get Visa between 207 and 213.89 level, you do not need to trade. If it hits the 207.39 level and bounces from there, and if you spot some bounce or price rejection from below, then you can go ahead and buy. Otherwise, if you get Visa somewhere around here, I'll say that avoid it. Okay. So the next stock is PG, Procter Gamble. So uh, let me draw the important points. Let's switch to the 1 day time frame. Okay, see, in a daily time frame, it's trading in a particular range. Okay, LTP is 127.52. Uh, and if we look at the overall range, then let me take this. Okay, drag this a little down. Okay, so our range for PG will be 126 to 120, 130. Okay, in between this range, Procter and Gamble is kinda in a range. Okay, particular range. Okay, so you just keep your eyes open on this particular stock. If you get PG above 130 level, it's a good buy because market always move from higher volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. Right now volatility is very low in PG, so there's a high chance that today tomorrow or today or tomorrow your market will be volatile and will be breaking this particular range. If it breaks above, then buy above 130, and if it breaks towards the downside, then you can short it below 126 level. This is the range for PG. The next stock for today is Nvidia. You can see that Nvidia has what it has made yesterday. Big price rejection from big price rejection. Okay, right now trading at 565.68, made a low of 536, almost 536. So as it has this huge price rejection from below, that means that the bulls, or there are some players who are sitting in the market and who are not allowing Nvidia to go below. Okay, so if you see price reject, sorry, if you see some selling pressure today also, then there is a chance that Nvidia will show price rejection from below again. So what will be the ideal position to buy? Ideal position to take trade will be above 570. Okay, if you get Nvidia above 570, then you can go ahead and buy. Okay, and if you see Nvidia below between this range 560 555, do not buy. Okay, because just look at the previous candle also, there was huge selling pressure. Okay, and that pressure only pushed Nvidia towards the 436 level. But there are some players present in the market who didn't allow Nvidia to close at this range. They pushed the price again towards upside and ultimately closed at 565 level. Try to understand the psychology of the market. Okay, so your only buy position will be 570 level. Okay, before that, market will be in a volatile zone, so try to avoid the market. Okay, you may lose your hard-earned money. So the next stock is Nike. Probably I'm having some net issues. Okay, Nike also, it was very volatile yesterday. You see, Nike also made this kind of pin bar, and Nike reversed from the 131.7 level. Okay, right now, right, Nike is trading at 136, or current market price is 136.13, and made a low of 131.155 level. So there is no doubt that bulls are not allowing the stock to go this further. Okay, and there is also support available at this range. So what you should do, you only go for buy order above this level, 137.3 level, 137.3 level. This will be a buy. Let me show you the help of a buy. This is the range. Okay, this is the range, and this is the resistance. Okay, this is the resistance you can see. Okay, so only buy above this line, not before that. If Nike opens here and gives a breakout, okay, suppose Nike opened at 135 and move towards the 136 level, then also look at the size of the candles. Try to understand the size, try to understand the steam of the market, try to understand uh, the buying pressure. Okay, what, whether bulls are in force or not. If you see that, okay, if you see that candles are not that big, bulls are seem very weak, then do not buy. Okay, if everything seems normal and if you get above 137.3, then you can go ahead and buy. So that's it for the day 24th Feb, Wednesday. Okay, hopefully you all have understood, and if you have liked the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for daily market analysis. I'll come down again tomorrow just before the market opens. And if you want to know more about me, just visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck.